of you guys that are afraid to door knock, that's the extent of it. Whoa, what's up, guys? I watch this video. This is just a little bit of how I did some door knocks. This is just how I do door knocks. I was denied at most of them. Watch till the end. I'll put the audio actually on my phone with me and what I actually say to people, or, you know, for the most part, what I say to people. And it's always different. It depends on the person. But I'll put the audio at the end of a door knock. Justin recorded me going up to the other ones and knocking, but you can't really hear what I say to people. So check it out. I don't know, it might help some of you. Don't be afraid. Never be afraid to knock. That's how you find the old stuff. That's how we find all the old coins. I knock at tons of houses. Most people let us. This particular day, not too many people were letting us, but check it out. If you like it, hit the thumbs up, subscribe. Check out Justin DePace History Hunters channel. And also Derek's putting videos up now too, so go over to his channel. Pull Tab Commando and Justin DePace History Hunter. I'll put links to those guys down below. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you.
All right, Johnny's going to creep. Super old house. It's absolutely amazing. There's cars in the driveway. I guess we'll see. Here it goes. I'm trying not to be super creepy, so they don't think I'm actually recording. Oh boy, let's hope. Dude, if we get permission here, I will freak out. It looks amazing. Oh my God. Johnny. Look. There he goes. John's got the spiel. He's not pointing though. John has to point. Oh, we got denied. He didn't point. Johnny needed to point. You didn't point. Hold on, watch. Johnny, you didn't point. You were supposed to point. Uh-oh. That's on camera. You were supposed to point.
I don't permit anybody on my property.
No.
Whatever.
Fail.
Is what it is. It happens sometimes. So any of you guys that are afraid to door knock, that's the extent of it. I don't feel bad. No. I'm going to go to another house and I'm going to knock again.
That's right. John's going to get his John mojo back.
And that's why we find old stuff. So any of you guys that are in this hobby and you're afraid to door knock, all they could say is no. Even if they seem like they have a stick stuck so far up their butt, like she might have a stick up her butt.
2x4?
4x4? 2x4.
Tree.
But don't give up. Go to the next one, next person. I would say 9 out of every 10 that I knock at, they let us metal detect.
Yeah, we do. We get most of them.
Yeah. So you get the occasional one that don't get discouraged. Just stick with it.
All right, guys. We're still looking. Bye.
All right. I'm going to door knock again. Justin's gonna video me.
Creeper 2.
See what happens.
All right.
Wish me luck.
I'm flipping. All right. So I gotta flip the camera. No, wait. How the hell do you do this on this one? I guess I don't know. We'll just do it over the shoulder. I hope they don't notice. Oh, well, there we go. We'll just do this. John's on knock number 2. Well, got some nice old stone. We like old stone. Hopefully it's a nice old lady. Nice old ladies are good. You have dogs. That's never a good thing. Dogs bark too much. People don't like to let you there with their dogs. Uh-oh. Johnny's on it. What's he got? Do we have a go or no? I think that's a denial. He's not hitting the trunk. He's coming around. Denied?
Well, denied again.
2 in a row.
2 in a row.
Oh, man.
I should make you go.
I always get denied. Well, you got that crazy beard back.
I do have the crazy beard. I'm surprised they're even answering the door.
Yeah. We did much better. Johnny was able to get us permissions without the crazy beard.
That one had a nice yard. A little bit of a yard. It looked older. I don't think she understood what I was saying, though.
Is she old?
She looked like the ones that usually are like, hey, you go ahead. If that's what you want to do, you go for it. But she's like, we don't need any of that around here, is what I got. Why you got that so close to me?
I don't know, extreme close-ups.
She said, we don't need any of that around here. Get that away from me. We don't need any of that around here.
All right, we're going to go find somewhere to go play for the rest of the afternoon here. Early morning or whatever. All right, we'll see you another knock. All right, so we're pulling out all the stops. We're knocking at this place.
This one's intimidating.
Johnny's got it. We're going to get it.
Look at this house.
Super permission.
Oh, my goodness. This might be one of the nicest ones I've ever knocked at.
Wow, look at this joint. If we get permission here, dude. Wow. Wow. That's all I can say. I'm going to keep the camera low.
I don't know what door to go to. Do you go to the front door?
I just go right to the front. Jeez, a whiz. Look at this place. Golly. I guarantee there's big silver laying all over this yard. There we go. We got it. It's not real suspicious. This place is amazing. Wow. No answer. Boy, is it amazing. No answer.
I'm going to drive around back. I'm not walking. I'm going to drive to another door.
Wow.
Because that door don't look... Oh, it even says, please use back door.
Oh, okay. This place is insane, dude.
Yeah.
Look at the pool. It's like 20 feet deep. Concrete.
There we go. This looks more like the one.
Yeah, this looks inviting.
Oh, there we go.
Kind of. I hope you guys can see him. I'm trying to... There we go. We got him. On you. Getting his dig. Please answer and say yes. No. No answer.
That house is so big, though. I don't even know if they hear you knocking. Place is
Might
unbelievable.
take 20 minutes to get to you.
I know, but there's no cars here. But I'm guessing there's somebody older lives here.
Look at that little, like, thing back in there. The little, like, stone mausoleum cabin.
There's a lot to work with here. Should I know? There's another door here.
We've knocked on them all.
No, they don't use that. They use that back door.
Yeah, that place is amazing.
It is. All these houses.
I wonder how old that one is.
I don't know.
It's got chimneys.
I'm 0 for 3. I don't think
That one don't count.
I've never gone 0 for 3.
That one don't count.
I've never gone 0 for 3.
Because you didn't really get denied. Look at the one across the street, dude. It's got a huge... Look at that yard. Oh, that house. Go for it.
You go for it. We're like a whole nother level here.
Yeah,
we
this
usually
is pretty amazing.
keep going. Keep going.
Right.
Keep that going.
We're going. Come on, just let's go. Let's
Which
hit the whole
one?
block.
The whole block.
Just hit the whole block, John.
See this one. Look at the big steps going down the
Someone's
front.
gonna say yeah.
Look at this one though. The steps coming down the front. Like you know, there's coins. Look at that place.
That's
oh
insane.
my goodness. Why didn't they answer? It's the rough getting courage to knock at that.
They're not home.
Because they're not home. Man. What else we got here? These aren't even that old, I don't think. Are they? Early 1900s?
These are 19-somethings.
What's this guy looking like
That's
down here?
one.
It's another big mansion.
Yeah.
That's that castle.
Yeah, that's a castle.
Oh, that one looks so good.
That is
No, that's
amazing.
not the one.
Yeah, that's it.
No, it's...
No, he cleaned it up. He's starting to
You
cut the
don't think
brush
you'd
up.
let us...
Nope.
Are you
They
serious?
bought machines.
Huh?
They bought machines.
What do we do now? What do we do now? 1806 Virgin Yard?
Dun, dun.
There's no old ones on
I don't know.
All right.
No, we're out. All right, so we'll be back when we finally find somewhere to dig or we won't be. I don't know. I'll see you. Bye.
Hello. How you doing? My name's John. I live up the road on the other side of 14.